Okay, this time I'm gonna start random talking about my experience for several day learning about React. Oh, sorry, learning about Laravel. I think from several day I learned about Laravel. From the core concept, I think it's the same like Code Igniter, but Laravel offer more functionality or feature. Maybe something like collection, and then yesterday I learned about Git and then authorization. It's something like that. To be honest, when I learn Laravel, I think I feel so spoiled because everything is already provided by Laravel, like migration feature, and then artisan to make a controller. The code igniter doesn't have it, but what I love about code igniter than Laravel is code igniter more simple. They provide a simple model view controller, but if you want to extend it, you can extend it with manually. But in Laravel, they provide a core model view controller, but they have a collection of best practice for developer to use. Sometimes it will be more time for your learning curve, add more weight to your learning curve. But if you already learn if you already learn it a long time, it gonna help you to build application faster. So far with the Laravel, i I don't see any issue with performance, but if it's compared with Golang language, it it gonna be loose because Laravel is what I call it interpreter language. Interpreter language, it's gonna be loose versus single binary application, because interpreter language still gonna be read the script in the hard drive and then give it to the user. If you had a lot of file dependency, so it gonna read all the file dependency first and then they execute it and then respond it to the user. But if you are running a binary application like Go or maybe Rust, they will gonna instantly process your request in the binary that running in the random access memory. I think something like that. Okay, and maybe there is one strongest, or maybe I can say it in Indonesia, kelebihan. What is kelebihan in English? Maybe one of the advantage of the Laravel is it is so easy to create the test, and then it's so easy to populate the test, because if it in Go language, you need to create the controller first, and then do you mock upping the request, and then the response you cannot directly check it, the response. And I'm gonna say it will be more complex for testing in Go. But in the Laravel, I'm saying this is my best experience to write tests. Maybe I need to explore more so I can compare it to another language that provide more easier to create testing. And the testing on the Laravel is he is using integration test, so you can test it directly with the connection, with the database connection. So he testing the controller, he is not unit test or testing the function. He is directly test the controller or integration test. And then okay, something I learned from the Laravel, they provide a controller named resource. So resource a controller that you can directly embed for your routing. So it gonna be auto routing, and it will follow the basic rules, the basic REST API rule for the controller and resource. You just need to create the controller with resource, and then you need to apply all the resource, and then you configure the root to resource, and then it's easily because you don't need to create root one by one. I think that's so far that I learned from Laravel. After this, I'm gonna continue my learning journey on Laravel Sanctum. Thank you for watching. I think it's okay, just like that.